In this video, I am going to show you how to add video to Wix website. So let's see how we can do it. So at first we need to log into the Wix website editor. And now to add a video to our website, from the left menu we are going to click on this plus button, which is add elements button. And after that we are going to select video and music from here. Now if you have a video on your computer that you want to upload to your Wix website, then for this we are going to select this first option, video upload. So we are going to select it, and now we are going to drag it towards the left side. After that, from the top we are going to click on change video. Now again click on change video. Now click on upload media and then click on upload from computer. Now select the video from your computer and after that just click on open. As you can see that our video is now uploaded to our Wix website, and now we are going to click on add to page. And now our video is added to our Wix website and we can publish our Wix website from here. If the video is on YouTube or Vimeo, then you can select YouTube or Vimeo from here. Just select YouTube from here. After that just copy the URL of the video and paste it here. And it will start displaying here. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.